So one of my students built a single project and got 3 interview calls within a week. So no new courses, no advanced Python, just Excel SQL and one smart story. So today I'm going to break down how exactly we did it, so how you can do it too. So I'm just checking out the project also so that I can refer to you for it. So this comes from a non-technical background, knew just Excel and skill that he was learning, that been applying for past 2 months, and he was just self-learning, and then he bought a couple of courses and then we made one. So here's what we built. It was super simple, nothing fancy. Tool sets, we just use Excel and SQL, and then data set, a fictional retail sales data set that we use from Kaggle we got. And what we did was we cleaned raw data. It was using Power Query, and then we analyzed the churn, the customer churn that is there, top customers, and then what was the project trends, and then we turned into one page story. So how I helped store boost sales by 15%. It's all fictional but it sounds real, and later we actually did it on a real world data set, and then we proved it. So first we try to prove our theory using a fictional data set, then we actually build one using a real world data set. So first you validate the idea, then you execute it. So 3 reasons this project got attention was, one, it showed business thinking, like anyone can use Excel, right? Like I just use Excel. But this project particularly said that I helped reduce churn and improve the revenue for the company. So 2, we rewrote the resume, not build the dashboard. We wrote identify 3 retention levers that actually increase the revenue by 12%. And then 3, we made it shareable. So 1 page PDF and a LinkedIn post, and the interview started calling in. So you have to be visible on. This is where the AI comes in, as you have seen in the title. So we used my resume engine, to polish the bullet points that are there. We wrote it like it was already written. We rewrote it, and with the outcome first line, like I used our AI career hub that is there to summarize the project into short, elevate the pitch that is. So you don't need to be a pro writer, you just need to use this tool smartly. The link for the AI career hub that is completely free is in the description. You can start using it. If you're still watching and then thinking I could do that too, you absolutely can, because that person also thought the same way 2 months ago. So here is a 5-step roadmap that I'll tell you for it. Pick a domain. It can be sales, HR, marketing. Get a real or mock-up data set. Then you try to get a real one. Analyze it using Excel or SQL. Find and build 3 business insights. That's really crucial. And then turn it into a 1-pager. You don't need to make it too big. And a story that speaks for it, that you can present to people. And if you want to skip the guesswork that is there, I've built 2 things for you. First is the resource pack that has more than 2,000 resources that will be in the description, top mid link. And then if you want to enroll on a one-on-one mentorship where I teach you those things, you can enroll in that also. That link will also be in description. It's a 12-week program that is tailor-made for you. I take your resume, what are career goals, and I make it according to you. So if you are learning but not landing, calls, or this is the missing link that you have. Everyone is data analyst that they say in the LinkedIn and all those things don't want to get your job. Like they just won't get your job. The tools alone aren't enough. Like you need structure, you need storytelling. So stop taking, like the tutorials that you are taking, courses that you're purchasing like a lot. Build one solid project and position it right. You don't need 20 projects there. You actually stand out. Even with Excel. So drop a comment if you're going to try it. I'll try to respond. If you have any question, you can talk to me and I will reply as many as I can, because a lot of DMs are there. I try to reply to all of them. If I don't, send me an email. I really will appreciate it. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.